So what's this strange thing? A blue disc, very ornate, lovely patterns. Here, spins too. Ah, well, that's it. This is an extraordinary invention, an iTop it's called. It's one of the best things ever made, I think, in the world of toys. To make it the top, all you do is lift it up like that. It collapses so nicely and put it in your pocket. And now it will spin. If I spin it, LEDs suddenly come into play. The last score I had was 0 because I reset it. And it's now counting. This one here is counting the number of revolutions it's done. And then when you stop it or let it complete its course and someone else has a go, it will record the score I got last time, and they'll try and beat the score, trying to get a higher score. So that's the most basic part of it, really, is trying to beat your opponent by having a higher score than them. Now there's another feature to it, which is that, well, actually, before I come on to that, let me just describe how the thing works. How can a top like this actually detect the number of times it does a revolution? There's only one way of doing it, of course. It's a secret magnet inside, which is detecting the Earth's magnetic field. And you can show that as follows. There's a secret way of doing it. 2 to the right, 2 to the left, and then it's ready to go. Here we go. 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. It's doing other things, I forget about those. 1 to the left, and now it's going to reveal a compass. Here we go. Look at that. North, south, west and east. That proves there's a magnetic compass inside. I was warned by somebody that if you ever in a large building in a big city where there's a lot of steel work in it, girders and things, it reduces the Earth's magnetic field and doesn't work quite so well. It's a bit more random, but never mind that. So now I'm going to reset it so I can do the scores again. This little button here, with the point of my bar, resets it and perform. So the other thing you can do with this is stop it at a certain point. I keep being told to try and stop it at 99, and I've missed it again. Oh dear, oh dear. When you do stop it at that particular point and then spin it, it will produce wonderful effects. Now I stopped it at 86, or no, at 98, I only just missed it. But it's got lots of cartoons, and one of them is, what's it got, 214 is Cupid. Well, that's got messages of love and hearts and things. 777s are whatever it is. In each case, if you stop it at just the right point and then spin it again, cartoons will appear, messages will appear, something by way of a reward. Very interesting indeed. So this is a wonderful multi-play toy which you can use in so many different ways. My favourite still is counting the number of revolutions, see if you can get a better score than your opponent. But when you finish playing with it, look, you just pack it away, put it in your pocket and go home. This is just ace.